What is going on, guys? Today we have a fun little video. Now, I have a model that I know of, and she is flying in and coming to town for Stance Wars and a couple events this weekend. And she's not just any model, she is a car model. So I'm gonna trust her with giving her the experience of driving this machine, see her thoughts and stuff, and kind of give a perspective of what, you know, car models are like and stuff like that. So it should be a fun evening, but first we gotta go pick her up from the airport. How you doing? All right, let me see. Yeah, welcome to Seattle.
Thank you.
All right, that could possibly work. I love the backpack, Takata straps.
Gotta, you know.
All right, perfect.
Gotta be on brand.
Yeah, it should be okay. And then let's see.
I'm on the other side of it.
Yeah. I'll get you out of this traffic, then I'll let you drive.
Okay.
All right, pull this up. Make a little noise from here. It's a little bit loud. Just a little bit. How was your flight in?
It was pretty good. That was my first time flying with Alaska. Have you ever flown with Alaska?
All the time when I was little. Yeah.
That's like all I want to fly.
That is even though it says Alaska, that is the Washington airline. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, I know. This worked out.
Yeah, it did. I'm glad.
Have you ever driven a Skyline?
Once, actually.
That's awesome.
My friend Dan Wanger, he's got a and he let me drive around the parking lot with it. It wasn't as difficult as I thought it was going to be to shift.
Yeah.
But it's also
You get used to the right-hand drive pretty quickly.
Right.
Because that's always the first question people ask. Swapping seats now. I wish you the best of luck.
Thanks. Oh my God, Mr. Long Legs. You said you can't adjust it forward?
Yeah, I actually tried before because I was like thinking ahead. I was like, yeah, that probably might be a thing. And then it literally was like stuck. And I was like, shoot.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's probably going to be the most difficult part out of all of it. Just the fact
clutch. Just the fact that
the seat's so far back.
Okay.
You think it's all right?
Wait, who's that?
Yeah.
I'm one of those people that likes to be like this.
Always attentive. Oh, close call, but we're good. We're good.
Woohoo! I was scared for a second.
And then we.
Oh man.
You're doing good. Nailed the shit.
Oh God.
You'll get used to it in a couple seconds. Right? So you're on left.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
There's too much concentration with the left hand.
And then just wait till you have to get used to the turn signals, and the windshield wipers are swapped. So turn signals on the right side right there.
Look, my leg is completely like pointed toe right now.
Yeah. Oh, this could be clickbait right here. We got the popo right there. Keep going. You got it. And then left.
Oh God. It says do not enter. This clutch, I can't. It's so hard. Oh my God, I'm gonna kill your clutch by the end of the night.
Nah, it's fine.
She did. Am I still going straight?
Yeah, you're still going straight.
Look, I'm good. This guy hates me, so I'm good.
Yeah. Ooh, that was smooth. That was smooth.
I need a concentrate, that's it.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
Send it in the tunnels. We're going right. I love that. That's like the best mistake you can make because no one can blame you for it.
Right.
So you can't even be.
Grabbing for it like we're.
Yeah.
You know, the shifting part isn't as bad as just the clutch.
Yeah.
Getting used to that, and then also obviously the mirrors.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing. Okay.
There we go.
So kilometers per hour. What would 60?
That's another thing I was gonna have you.
How fast am I going right now? Because I feel like I'm probably going like 50.
So you're going, yeah. That's just about 100 is around 60.
Oh.
I think it's about like 62. I want to say. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like the steering wheel. It's sharp.
Yeah, Vertex wheel. It's cool though. You fit it.
What?
Fit the look.
Good. Yeah.
Look here. Just driving my Skyline GTR, and we've gone through the rough patches, but she's doing great.
I'm trying. I'm trying not to kill it.
Just got off a plane. There's traffic. You're in a right-hand drive car. It's like it's confusing. So
I feel like I'm in China or Japan.
yeah, exactly. Oh hell yeah, piece of cake. Picked up another friend. So we are now on our way to a nightly car meet, a little pre-meet for Stance Wars is tomorrow.
Yes.
You'll be there. I didn't even introduce you. This is Brooke, by the way, Brooke Curtis.
Hello, everybody.
Here's the Instagram page right there. And as you can see by this little camera down here, you're also doing vlogging on the YouTubes. Turning left. They're all parked up in there. Oh my gosh, this is definitely a meet. So you could pull in somewhere in there. Put you in first gear. I got you.
Park, or do you just want me to drive through?
Yeah, you could just drive through. Oh, hi.
Here? What's up?
What's happening? I stole his
I'm
car.
like, you're not driving your car.
Is there a parking spot?
Yeah, he is. He's on the left side. So just going to the next road.
Yeah. What's up?
Good, homie.
There's just people everywhere. He's gonna have to get out of the way. Come on, man.
Stay along
Lady
the
coming through.
Hey.
What's up?
Hey! Long time no see!
What the?
Straight from the airport.
This is my family!
You got fans here too?
Small world.
You're here? Yes!
I'm sure. Are you gonna park? Are you staying?
Yeah,
Cool.
We're both trying to look for parking right
Fine.
now. I could park it up if you want me to.
If you want to back in,
Yeah.
I'll let you hard parker. Sonic fire drill! Hey!
Everybody makes mistakes.
Everybody has those things.
Exactly.
Hannah Montana!
Hannah Montana. Well, you made it. You made it from
We made it
probably
alive.
the most difficult driving area too as a starting spot, and she's gladly taking
It
us
was
to the
fun.
meet.
I like learning things.
That's good, that's good, that's good. We'll do Brooke reviews on different cars here at the show. How about this Lambo?
I mean, it's cool. It's aight.
It's aight.
It's just a Lambo.
Jack.
What's up?
Brooke, what's up?
Oh, hey, what's up?
Mr. Brandono NG has a present. Yo, what?
Yep.
That's so sick.
Do a printed version.
Yo,
Victor.
that is so sick. Dude, the signature looks poppin'. Dude, thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
That's awesome, thank you.
I came to get a motor for my Eva 10.
Oof.
Yeah.
Well, I wish the best of luck to that.
Thank you, bro.
What do you think of that kind of look? Plan. Yeah, that plan.
I think it's kind of cool. It's ridiculous. You know?
Yeah,
It
yeah,
just
yeah.
makes it just
You kind of like, are you
wow,
like
they
that?
really
You just
did that.
appreciate it?
Yeah, exactly.
That's what I'm like, because I'm like, I would never do it to my own car, but you just kind of
Right.
appreciate the fact that it's so ridiculous.
Like, I know it.
Bruh.
Excuse me. I was trying to talk.
Aw, they're busting the party.
Oh, that's just fantastic.
I don't know if I want to just wait it out.
Is everyone getting kicked out or what?
There's, yeah.
Is
Is that what that means? Is the cops?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just gonna wait it out.
I mean, we can't. He's telling us to leave
Yeah.
because we're trespassing.
What is the
What?
After 2 hours.
I guess we're just dipping. Time to go. Yeah, was that dogs in there? Oh my god. Psych, it was just this Subaru this whole time. Nah, there actually is a cop over there. we're actually toast. Well, that is gonna summarize the night.
Whoops.
It was fun while it lasted. All right, we're gonna go through the I-90 tunnels on the Skyline. Here you
God.
go.
Oh god.
All right. I love doing this with people and seeing your reaction.
Get my hair's down too.
Are you ready? And voila! And here we are on the floating bridges.
That sounds good.